Signage from ArtLine LTD, and today we're working on a project for GrayBar. Asked us to do some interior signage, and so we wanted to do the historical pictures, put them together in a collage, print that on glass, and then float a piece of printed acrylic that we put the blue color in it. A piece of acrylic because we run it about 50% opacity so that it's transparent. You can see through the top piece, and then the logo is completely opaque. And so once we get finished with this, we'll take a look at it when it's done. So we finished with the sign for GrayBar. We put a piece of brushed antique silver edge banding on it. We attached the sign, put a frosted border on the back after we printed it blue, and put their logo. So now we're getting ready to hang it.